How to add your first expense in Money Manager. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your very first expense in the Money Manager app. If you are just getting started with tracking your finances, this is the perfect first step. So let's get started. Open the Money Manager app. Now at the bottom of the screen, tap this plus button right here. This is how you add a new transaction. Now use the options like income, expense and transfer. Tap on expense right here to begin entering your spending. Here's what you can do next, like you can add amount, enter how much you spent, like you can enter 800. Okay, then you can choose category. From here you can choose the categories right here, or you can also add your one category by tapping on this pencil icon and adding it like this. Once you add it, you can add it from there. Let me just add it from here, food. Okay, now you can add account, like you can add bank account or cash. Let me add a bank account. And also you can add note. You can add a short description like lunch at cafe or something like this. Now once everything looks good, tap the save button like this. And that's it, you have just added your first expense. It will now show up in your daily log and affect your budget and summary charts. You can always edit or delete it later by tapping on the entry again. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.